We've gone through quality control and quality assurance. We have covered verification and validation. Now let's have a look at the difference between validation and verification. On one side, you'll see verification, and on the other, you'll see validation. In verification, as per Ian Somerville's statement, are we building the system right? Whereas validation, are we building the right system? That is to say, verification is the process of evaluating products of a development phase. यहाँ phase बहुत ही अहम है जनाब, ये phase at the development phase to find out whether they meet specified requirements. Whereas validation is the process of evaluation of software at the end of development process to determine whether software meets required expectations by the customer. In verification, the major activities or major methods are reviews, meetings, inspections. Whereas in validation, testing, e.g. black box testing, white box testing, gray box testing, system testing, acceptance testing, these are the things that we take care of. Again, are we building the system right, or are we building the right system? These are two classical statements. That is why we are keeping them along. This is given by Ian Somerville, उनकी जो latest book version 2 onwards. ये statement उनकी जो है ये इसके साथ चल रही है book के साथ. The objective of verification is to make sure that the product being developed are as per requirements and design specification. आप देखिए यहाँ पे requirement and design specification की बात हो रही. The objective of validation is to make sure that the product actually meets the user's requirement. Now we are referring to what? We are referring to SRS. We are referring to what we have specified, what we have promised. Verification is carried out before the validation. Validation activity is carried out just after verification. Verification is carried out by QA team to check whether implementation software is as per specification document or not. Validation is carried out by testing team. यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ हमारे पास QA टीम का कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया, यहाँ पे हमारे पास टेस्टिंग टीम का कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया. Execution of code is not under the activity of verification. Whereas execution of the code comes. Verification process explains whether the output are according to inputs or not. Validation process describes whether software is accepted by the user or not, or acceptable to user or not. So बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस हमने निकाला कि वेरिफिकेशन, अगेन जिस तरह मैंने कहा, आर वी बिल्डिंग द सिस्टम राइट or are we building the right system? This is the difference. Finally, verification, the items that are evaluated are plans, requirement specifications, design specifications, code, test cases. Validation, देखिए गौर कीजिए, actual product, software under test. Software under test को मैंने क्या कहा था? SUT. The SUT under the system or software under test is my interest in validation. Whereas in verification, my interest are the artifacts. ये मैं पहले भी आपको कह के जा चुका हूँ, artifacts. Cost of error caught in verification is less. बहुत ही अहम point. It is less. Where cost of error caught in validation is more. Why? अगर मुझे let's say implementation में error मिला तो I'll have to go back one step, or depending upon the software life cycle that you're using, how many steps to the first step maybe. Then I'll go and check if it is the case in design. Then I'll go back and check if it is the case in RS document. Then I'll correct this and go back, update design. Then I'll go back, update implementation, and then I can go forward. It is too much. It is basically manually checking the documents and files like requirement specification. Verification में ये चीज़ बताने की बहरहाल है कि there are checklists available, there are automated softwares available, there are tracking software available from which we can seek refuge, we can take help. Here in the validation, basic checking of development or the developed program considering requirement specification documents and file. Here I am talking of the development. So हमने दो एंड कर लिए अगर देखें आप. एक एंड ये है कि मेरे पास आर्टिफैक्ट्स है और मैं आर्टिफैक्ट्स की स्टैटिक एनालिसिस कर रहा हूँ. एक मेरे पास फाइनल कोड है या फाइनल सिस्टम है और मैं उसको डायनामिकली फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूँ कि कोई डिफेक्ट तो नहीं है.